This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
Good afternoon. It's Friday, September 1st. My name is Mike Maroney, and I am coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals studio. Let's talk precious metals. We've had some interesting volatility over the last 6 weeks as silver has rallied from 1515 all the way up to 1780, and gold has rallied from 1217 all the way up to 1325. So there's some action in the metals market as a lot of geopolitical and a lot of volatility has caused investors to once again look at the hedge properties that exist in metals and move a little bit of money over. But really what we may be experiencing right now is an overall change in perception. And the interesting thing about this is it's so hard to determine what event, what announcement, what anything will suddenly change the overall perception of investors, where suddenly see a massive shift out of one sector and into another sector. And it looks like that is slowly starting to take place, and it's starting to gain momentum. Now, let's take a look at what's happening in the marketplaces other than precious metals. If you look at the stock market trading near or at all-time highs. If you look at the real estate market trading at or near all-time highs. Now, a lot of people say there's no inflation, but we obviously have investment inflation in certain sectors. And the reason for that is the massive increase in the monetary supply is actually starting to cause growth worldwide, and you're starting to see price inflation in certain arenas. And this is what many people believe causes bubbles. Are we on the brink of a bubble with the stock market? You know what? You really can't tell until suddenly it pops, and that's the scary part about it. Are we on the brink of a bubble in the real estate market? That one's a little bit easier because once interest rates start to go up, then payments go up, and people don't buy price, they buy payment. So suddenly if you're buying a $2 million house and you're paying $8,000 a month instead of $6,000, you're not buying a $2 million house anymore. It's quite simple. And if interest rates are going up, that means real estate is a little bit toppy. But what we're seeing today now is movement into metals over the last 6 weeks as we've had geopolitical issues in North Korea. We have political upheavals here in the United States based on statements coming out of the White House. We have overall volatility over in Europe because of the current situation that exists as far as the ECB and their relationship with buying up all the debt of the sovereign countries in that area and holding on to trillions and trillions of dollars worth of paper that is obviously depreciated in a big way. So now we have money moving in. It moved into stocks, it moved into real estate, and now it looks like it may be starting to move. Now, when will you really want to start getting excited about precious metals? Well, if you want to buy low and sell high, you want to buy it low. But a lot of the big traders are saying once gold breaks above 1380, once silver breaks back above 1850, then these markets become extraordinarily relevant. And we may be on the brink of seeing this. But the trick for you investors, look at why you want to own gold. And if it's for protection, the bottom line is you need ownership. And look at why you want to buy gold if it's for profit, and then try to buy it low and pick a timeline as far as how long you'd like to hold it. I can tell you this, with the current situation that exists in the world, with the gradual change of perception that may speed up at any moment, with the amount of money that's starting to circulate and could actually increase based on interest rates going up, forcing money to start to move faster, precious metals positioned where they are today as far as price may be one of the best buys on the board. Now would be a great time to give us a call here at Monex so we could talk to you to see if precious metals actually would fit in your portfolio. Thank you very much and have a great day.